How to use Instagram broadcast channel in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure that your account is switched to your professional account, not your personal one. So for that, simply tap on your profile icon right here, then tap on the menu bar on the top right corner. We'll get into settings and activity. From here, what you're going to do is scroll down until you get to see the option of account type and tools, right? So simply tap on that one, then tap on switch to professional account, tap on next, and then in here simply select what best describes you. I'm going to go with digital creator. Tap on switch to professional account. So in here, tap on OK, just like this, and then from here your account, remember that your account will be switched to public if your account is on private. So after doing that, you can select whether you are creator or business account, then tap on next, and if you want to simplify your access, you can go with the process. For now, let's skip it, so simply tap on that. Now you have now successfully set your professional account. So in here now, what you can do is simply tap on the DM icon right here. You'll be able to see a pencil like icon. Tap on that one, just like this, right? So in here there are also a different requirement in order to create your broadcast channel. So you must actually have a minimum of 1,000 followers on your Instagram, and your account also must be a good standing, and it must be clean with the Instagram's community guidelines. So if you do meet all of these requirements, you will get the option of broadcast channel. All you need to do is tap on that one, and like that you can go along with the process of how you will be able to create your broadcast channel on Instagram. And that is it.